Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food lovers and culture explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your go-to channel for discovering the fascinating evolution of food across different cultures. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting culinary trends: traditional dishes made modern, a culinary transformation. Every cuisine has its signature traditional dishes, passed down through generations, carrying the flavors of history, culture, and community. But as food evolves, chefs and home cooks alike have started to reinvent classic recipes using modern techniques, ingredients, and presentations. From sushi burritos to deconstructed shepherd's pie, we'll explore how beloved traditional dishes have been transformed into contemporary masterpieces without losing their soul. So, let's embark on this delicious journey through time, tradition, and innovation. 1. Sushi. From Edo period simplicity to global fusion. Traditional dish, edamame sushi. Sushi, as we know it today, was perfected during the Edo period 1603 to 1868. In Japan, traditional edamame sushi consists of expertly sliced fresh fish placed over hand-molded vinegared rice. It's all about balance, precision, and simplicity. Modern twist: sushi burritos and sushi burgers. With global influences and the rise of grab-and-go culture, sushi has transformed into sushi burritos, a large handheld sushi roll wrapped in seaweed, filled with ingredients like spicy tuna, avocado, and crunchy vegetables. Sushi burgers. Instead of a bun, sushi burgers use compressed sushi rice, stacked with layers of fresh fish, seaweed, and sauces. Why it works? Maintains the core elements of sushi: fresh seafood, vinegared rice, umami flavors, appeals to fast casual dining trends, provides a new way to enjoy sushi on the go. Where to try it? Poke Burrito, Los Angeles, USA. Famous for sushi burritos with fresh, bold flavors. Goku Sushi, Tokyo, Japan offers sushi burgers as a fun Italy's pasta, reinventing a timeless classic. Traditional dish. Handcrafted Italian pasta. Italian pasta is the heart and soul of Italian cuisine, with regional variations such as tagliatelle al ragu, fresh pasta with slow-cooked meat sauce, cacio e pepe, a simple yet flavorful Roman pasta made with pecorino romano and black pepper. Modern twist: pasta chips and plant-based pasta. Pasta chips. Cooked pasta is fried or baked until crispy, then tossed with Parmesan and seasonings, turning a classic into a crunchy snack. Plant-based pasta. Modern alternatives like zucchini noodles, zoodles, or chickpea pasta make traditional pasta more health-conscious. Why it works? Pasta chips give a crunchy, shareable snack version of a classic comfort food. Plant-based pasta meets the demand for gluten-free and low-carb alternatives. Allows pasta to adapt to modern dietary preferences. Where to try it? Barilla restaurants, Italy and USA, experimenting with legume-based pasta. Local street food markets in Rome, where fried pasta snacks have gained popularity. 3. Tacos. From street food to fine dining. Traditional dish: tacos al pastor. Tacos al pastor, a Mexican street food staple, features marinated pork cooked on a vertical spit, served on small corn tortillas with pineapple, onion, and cilantro. Modern twist: fine dining and fusion tacos, Michelin-starred tacos. Chefs in high-end restaurants now experiment with gourmet taco fillings like Wagyu beef, truffle aioli, or lobster. Taco cones, a fusion of Mexican and Italian cuisine, where taco shells are shaped like a cone, filled with ingredients similar to a burrito. Why it works? Tacos maintain their traditional appeal while adapting to gourmet and international flavors. Allows for creative, high-quality ingredients to enhance street food. Encourages experimentation with presentation and textures. Where to try it? Pujo, Mexico City, Mexico, famous for its elevated take on traditional Mexican flavors. Taco Maria, California, USA, combines traditional Mexican techniques with high-end ingredients. 4. French pastries, a scientific makeover. Traditional dish: croissant. The croissant, a French pastry icon, is made from buttery, laminated dough requiring precise folding and fermentation. Modern twist: cronuts and croissant cubes. Cronut, a hybrid between a croissant and a donut, deep-fried and filled with flavored cream. Croissant cube, a cube-shaped croissant with layered fillings, making it more Why it works? Adds new textures, crispy, chewy, while maintaining the buttery layers. Appeals to pastry lovers looking for creative variations. Makes croissants more visually exciting for social media. Where to try it? Dominique Unsell Bakery, New York, USA, inventor of the famous cronut. Loon Croissanterie, Melbourne, Australia, known for croissant innovation. 5. Indian curry. Reinventing a rich tradition. Traditional dish: butter, chicken, butter, Chicken murg. Makhani is one of the most famous Indian dishes, featuring slow-cooked chicken in a creamy tomato-based curry. Modern twist, deconstructed curry and curry ice cream. Deconstructed curry, chefs separate the components of the dish, serving spiced chicken, curry foam, and naan crisps in a minimalist presentation. Curry ice cream, a unique take on spices, blending traditional Indian flavors into a frozen dessert. Why it works. Keeps the original spice profile intact while offering new textures and presentations. Expands Indian flavors into unexpected culinary areas. Appeals to a new generation of diners looking for playful interpretations. Where to try it. Indian accent, New Delhi, India. Renowned for its innovative takes on traditional dishes. Gagan, Bangkok, Thailand, a Michelin-starred restaurant experimenting with Indian fusion. 6. British classics, a modern pub revolution. Traditional dish, fish and chips. A staple of British cuisine, fish and chips features battered and fried white fish served with thick-cut fries. Modern twist, sushi-style fish and chips and air-fried versions, sushi-style fish and chips. Fish is rolled in nori and sushi rice, served with potato crisps instead of fries. Air-fried fish and chips. A healthier version using modern air-frying technology. Why? It works. Reinvents a hearty fried dish into something lighter and contemporary. Brings global influences to British food. Uses modern cooking techniques to enhance flavor and texture. Where to try it? The Ledbury, London, UK. Known for refined takes on British classics. Modern pub chains across the UK, offering contemporary versions of traditional favorites. Tradition meets innovation. The best culinary transformations respect tradition while embracing creativity. These modern twists allow classic dishes to reach new audiences, cater to changing diets, and adapt to contemporary lifestyles. Whether it's a cronuts in New York, sushi burritos in Tokyo, or Michelin-starred tacos in Mexico City, food continues to evolve in exciting ways. What's your favorite modern take on a classic dish? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more exciting food journeys.